This course is brought to you by Appy as part of our Academy series.
Digital marketing with growth hacking. If that's what you want to learn, then you don't want to miss this opportunity. I am going to reveal some of the growth hacking techniques you may have not heard of. If you're a startup entrepreneur and want to learn digital marketing with growth hacking to grow your business, then this course is for you. If you're a student and want to learn growth hacking with digital marketing and grow your career, then this course is for you as well. If you're a digital marketing profession and you want to boost your profession and want to learn some growth hacking techniques to build your career, then this course is for you also. If you do not know how big corporations, when they started, like LinkedIn, Uber, Snapchat, Pinterest, Instagram, and their growth hacking techniques, which have actually skyrocketed their business, then you want to learn these techniques, and this course is for you also. My name is Kapil Chopra. I help businesses around the world in growth hacking and digital marketing for large size corporations to mid size corporations. I am Google certified in all of those 6 certifications, Microsoft Bing and HubSpot Academy certified. In this course, I have divided into 5 different sections. In the very first section, I am going to talk about what growth hacking is all about with lean marketing funnel, which has 5 different stages, which are acquisition, activation, referral, retention, and revenue. All of these 5 stages have different tools which relates to growth hacking techniques, which I will be talking in the section 2. In section 3, which is my favorite section, I will be revealing some of the big corporations or large companies, the startups which have grown literally from zero to the next level, including LinkedIn, Uber, Snapchat, Pinterest, and so on, and how they have started and what was the growth hacking techniques they have implemented during the initial stages of their journey. In the fourth section, I am going to talk about what are the do's and don'ts and 15 plus must follow techniques to implement in your business or in your profession. There is a bonus section. I will be revealing some of the extra tools which can help growth hacking in your career, profession, or business as well. I'd like to welcome you all and let's have this cracking time of growth hacking and revealing some of the growth hacking techniques. I will be showing you some of right in front of the system, and you will be practicing that in the form of assignments in this course. I can't wait to see you inside. Stay tuned. Bye for now. Take care.